Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. So guys, I am by the another beautiful ideas about some simple garden decoration ideas using flowers that are easy to create and can beautifully enhance your outdoor space. Flowers pot with beautiful painted uh, terracotta ideas, pot with fun patterns, beautiful patterns designs. Hope you like my videos. Garden decorations with flower pots are most attractive and easy to make. And this video is all about the garden decoration with flowers pot ideas in a unique way. Flowers pot makes garden looks pretty. You can use them to grow flowers, small plants, or
I
even
hope this
herbs.
video is very useful for
Pots
you
come in
related to
many
the
colors,
designs of
shapes,
garden
and
decoration
sizes,
ideas
and some
and
animal
the duck
pattern
style
designs.
decorations with a
Some are
beautiful
made of
reshape
wood,
your garden with a
plastic, and
beautiful
metal.
style. And I hope this
You
video
can
and this
place a
collection
pot
is very
on
authentic.
the ground,
The
hang
portable
them
ideas
on
as
a
well
wall,
as the
and put
flower
them on
pot
stands.
ideas, easy to make,
They are
easy to
easy to
style.
move and fun to decorate.
Thank
Add
you
a
so much
paint,
guys to
stone,
watching my
ribbons
videos,
to make them
and
special.
if you have any
With
question about my
flowers,
channel then ask me in
pot your
comment box.
garden can a
The
bright,
most
big,
demanding, the
and full of
most
life.
uh, beautiful ideas, the
All
garden shape
projects are
decorations
more
designs,
attractive, more
animal
outstanding,
pot
and
ideas
I hope
using in garden
these
decoration
colorful pots
are most trending.
increase your home beauty and garden. Flower pots are a
Beautiful
fun way to
designs,
decorate
beautiful
your garden.
creativity,
You can use them
and
in
if you
many
are
ways.
interested in
Colorful
garden
pots.
decoration then this video
Use
and this
bright,
channel is for you.
colorful pots to
I
make your garden
upload the
cheerful.
different
You can
designs,
paint them
how to style and
with
how to
colors,
recreate your
dots, and
home in a
flowers.
beautiful way, in a very budget friendly designs. If you like this
Beautiful
YouTube videos, then
hanging
please
pots
like,
ideas
share
are
and
so
comment my YouTube
attractive.
channel. Easy
Hang
craft
small pots
videos,
on a
most
wall or
demanding, most
panels with
repeatedly designs are
beautiful
upload on my YouTube
space and
channel.
look nice. Use strong ropes and hooks to hang them
Take a
safely.
screenshot and
Clay
go to
pots
your
are
garden
simple and
and
natural.
recreate
They
your
look nice with
beautiful
flowers like roses
garden
and
decoration
tulips,
ideas,
beautiful leaves designs.
because
You can
creativity
also
and
chalk
recreate
on them
recycling is
with a
very
marker or
important.
paints.
Recycle your
Funny
things
decorations
in a beautiful
designs.
style, in a
Some
beautiful
pots are
way.
shaped like beautiful designs, and hanging wall ideas are
Use
so
different LED
attractive,
lights for your garden,
so
and
amazing.
the
Some
different
pots are
ideas
shaped
for
like
the
animals or
garden
faces.
decoration.
You can
The style
even
is
make a
so
pot
amazing.
garden by
All
stacking
depend on your
pots on the
choice
top
and
of
all
each
depend
other.
on your likeness. So thank you so much to repeated my channel, to watching my YouTube
You can
videos.
use old
The creativity show your
bicycles,
interest level,
beautiful
and
ducks,
the garden
beautiful
decoration is
shoes,
not an
canes,
hobby, it's an art.
baskets,
And if you are
teapots, and the
interested in
flower
this type
pots
of
designs.
videos,
You
then
can add
guys support, like
some
and share,
plants. It's
because
so
I
fun and
upload
helpful
different ideas
environment.
for you, and
With
the
lights
designs
and
and the
flowers, and
creativity,
recycle your tired designs.
because without the
Lighting
garden
flowers
decoration your house is so
around your pots
incomplete.
at night, your
First
garden will
impression
shine and look magical.
is the last impression,
Rock
guys.
and stone decor designs. Place a small rock and stones around your pots. You can also paint the rock with the hearts and smiley faces or names. Thank you so much, guys, to watch my videos and to like my videos, sharing my YouTube videos with your close relative and friends. Make funny pot people. Use small pots for arms, legs, and big pot for the heart. Painted pots are looking so attractive. Wood painted pots are look so amazing. Use paints to paint a pot look like animals like cats and lady dogs, rainbows, happy faces. You can even write your name on them. I hope this video and this collection is very useful for you. Enjoy the days of your life and please support to my YouTube videos on daily basis. Take care and bye bye.